naman agad yan. English na.
1, 2, 3, go! Greetings! We are the first batch of healthcare students! Ay, ito pa parang hindi na pa. We are the fourth year batch. We are the first batch of healthcare students. From fourth year batch. Ayaw, ito sa gitna. Wait, nagpe-play yan. 1, 2, 3, go! Greetings! We are the first batch of healthcare students from the autumn 4-year result! And here to present you a compilation of videos regarding
Client care
and body mechanics.
For your enjoyment.
Yes!
Nakakatawa lang tayo.
Panoorin natin. Or sadyayo na